Sanibonani Dumelang, welcome to Sandy M Media Play. A video has gone viral of King Misisulu kaZwelithini where he was heard ethuka umfazi wakhe uQueen Nomzamo. Now in a clip, King Misisulu is seen aphethe ibhotela lotshwala. Now the woman sitting next to him tried ukumyehlisa ukuthi hayi khawuyehle man baba khawuyehle, kanti umfazi wakhe wayephethe ifone amrekhoda. Right, so it is not yet clear ukuthi ubani okhiphe le video lena. He claims such women as uNomzamo, they come from a church, Shembe Church rather, and to him uShembe, the leader of Shembe Church, uyislima sendoda. Ay, King Misisulu jeni betunana. So King Misisulu akazange nje athuke umfazi wakhe. He went as far as ukuthuka uShembe. He further said that there was a man laphayana esontweni likaShembe lo bekafuna umfazi wakhe uNomzamo. Well, Daily Sun got hold of Shembe Church spokesman who said they saw the video and are very disappointed at King Misisulu. But he concluded by saying ukuthi hayi uKing Misisulu uzolthola ithuba lokuthi ahlale phansi with the leader of Shembe Church so that bazokhuluma. Kuleya video leyana guys isimzwe uKing Misisulu athi yena uyathakatha ubuza lo munye umama ukuthi makabhekile kuze kanjani ukuthi abe inkosi. Uthi ingoba mina ngiyathakatha so uyaqabanga ukuthi uNomzamo ngingamenzane. At the end of the video sibone laphayana uNomzamo asho ukuthi this is her daily life at the royal household, meaning that uphila nje ngokuthukwa left and right and center. Now the royal household has responded as well to this viral video that's making rounds on social media, and they said ukuthi every household has its own issues. Okay, so now they responded by saying that ulentuzana indaba zomndeni. Now for those of you who don't know, ulentuzana uNomzamo Myeni Zulu is actually the fourth wife of Misisulu kaZwelithini. Right, so now it is unclear when the video was recorded and what prompted the confrontation, okay? Other than that, the king seemed ukuthi wayedakwe kancinci nje because of wayephethe ibhotela le-alcohol bethunana whilst making, those remarks about the leader of Shembe Church and telling umfazi wakhe ukuthi, you know what? He will no longer provide for her financially, and also he said that okunye guys yazi kuyoba nzima ukuthi sikukhulume kodwa ke uye wathi yena akancengi uNomzamo ngentontoni yakhe because of yena hayi unecherry, right? So asiyazi le cherry le akhuluma ngayo ukuthi ubani le cherry le yenza ukuthi hayi uKing Misisulu azibone kahle ukuthi hayi noma ungancintsha kodwa ke ngine cherry. Hey guys, it is going down. It is going down. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Ngiyanthanda sana, ngiyanthanda.